Hi everyone, Ryan from Gray's Classic Cars and Bikes, and for all the Ford lovers out there, at the moment at Gray's we've got a range of Falcon Cobras. As you can see behind me, we've got a couple of sedans, we've got one of the very, very rare Cobra utes, but we've also got a 1978 XC Falcon Cobra coupe. Now these were where it all started in Australia. These were brought out when Alan Moffat and Colin Bond were racing for the Ford Motor Company. This is one of the genuine Cobras. It's a 5.8 351 Cobra. It's a matching numbers car. It's got the logbooks, and the car's only travelled 124,000 kilometres. Now, it's never been restored. It's probably had a little bit of paint over the years, but it's a good, solid original car. It fires up and drives very, very nicely. We're going to actually take it for a drive shortly. But these things have gone crazy in the last couple of years. And I'd have to say the XC Cobra is probably one of the most collectible and sought after two-door Falcons that have ever been released by the Ford Motor Company in Australia. So anyway, let's jump in and take it for a drive. Now the XC Falcon Cobra was the brainchild of the Ford Motor Company to celebrate Alan Moffat and Colin Bond's famous 1-2 victory back in 1977. It was the end of the run of the XC Falcon, and they did have some body shells, two-door body shells left over, so someone in the Ford Motor Company decided to bring out a limited edition Cobra. Now the Cobra name's been in the States for many, many years with Carroll Shelby and Ford Motor Company. So when they released the cars in Australia, they were all two-doors. Some are 4.9 V8s, some are 5.8s, 351s. Most of them are automatics, and the first, I think, 30 or 31 were the manuals with the homologation specials. They really did sell quite quickly. Most Australian muscle cars that have been produced have been slow movers off the showroom floor. Well, the Cobra really took off very, very well. The car we're driving at the moment, it's build number 89. It's done a genuine 124,000 Ks, and it hasn't been restored. Most Cobras we've seen in the last couple of years have had a full resto. Well, this one's still running the original trim and carpets and dash and everything else. The cloth seats have got a little bit of wear on them, just from age, basically. It's probably had a little bit of paint at some stage too, but it is a good original car. It's still got the original radio on it. As I said, it's got logbooks, which is pretty rare to find in one of these cars. The only thing different with this car that he's put a wider set of Bathurst Globe wheels on it. But it's a good car. It drives perfect. It tracks nice and straight. And they are a super cool car, these Cobras. Like, I've never been a fan of two-door XC Falcons, but this car, the Cobra, are just well known, and like they've become super collectible. We've seen some prices of some of the first 30 cars we've built go for over $400,000 and $500,000. Well, this one comes up this month. It's a good, solid car. It's a driver. It performs well. If you'd like some more information about this car, give us a call on 1300 Classic, or you can pop down to 131 Main Beach Road, Pinkenba, and inspect the car for yourself. But it is a genuine car. It's got all the service history. It's even got the original build sheet from the factory, which I've never seen on one of these before. So the car's got a good provenance about it. So if you'd like some more info, 1300 Classic, or pop us an email to classic@grays.com.au.